Ready to step up your video editing game in CapCut? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to search for fonts inside CapCut Desktop, whether you're on a PC or a Mac. By the end of this video, you'll know how to pinpoint the perfect font for your text clips, making your videos look polished and professional, and saving tons of time hunting for the style you need. Let's dive right in, starting at your CapCut timeline. If you've ever stared at a long list of fonts and felt overwhelmed, you're not alone. That's why this search trick is such a lifesaver. So first things first, make sure you've added a text clip to your timeline. If you're not sure what that is, it's simply any segment where you've placed text onto your video, like a title, caption, or lower third. Go ahead and click on the text clip you want to edit. This highlights it and tells CapCut that you want to customize it right now. You'll notice the top right part of the screen changes to show the editing panel. Here's a quick tip. Sometimes CapCut opens a few different editing sections, so glance at the top of this panel and make sure text is selected. If you see something like sticker or effect selected, just click text instead. This lets you unlock all the settings for your font, size, spacing, and more. Now let's get to the heart of the process, choosing your font. In the text panel, locate the font drop-down menu. By default, this shows the current font you've applied to your text. It usually has the font's name in a box, and maybe a little arrow for the dropdown. This is your gateway to every font CapCut offers. Here's the trick that speeds everything up. Instead of scrolling endlessly through that dropdown, click right into the font name box. It'll let you type directly. Start inputting the name of the font you want to find. Let's say you're looking for Montserrat. Type a few letters, and you'll see CapCut instantly filter the font list to match what you're writing. As you type, only the fonts that match your keyword will appear below. This is similar to how a music app helps you find the right song in a playlist. You don't need to memorize where everything is, you just search, and it appears. If you're not sure of the full font name, that's okay. Even a partial name often brings up what you need. If you type mono, for example, you might get all mono-spaced fonts available. Take a moment here to preview how each font looks by clicking through the results. CapCut usually updates your text clip's appearance instantly as you select different fonts. Don't worry if things look a little strange at first. Some fonts are designed for bigger titles, others for smaller captions. So play around until you find something that matches the mood and style of your video. If you ever make a mistake or want to go back, just repeat the process or select your previous font from the dropdown. And that's it. You've just learned how to quickly and efficiently search for fonts in CapCut Desktop. This little workflow tweak can really help your videos stand out, keep your editing process fast, and let you focus on content instead of fussing with tiny details. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button so I know to make more guides like this one. Drop a comment with any questions, or share your favorite fonts for CapCut. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks to help your editing journey. Thanks for watching.